Wow, this place is insane. Welcome to the Shangri-La Fort in Manila. This is a 5-star location in the heart of BGC with 5-star restaurants such as the Sombra and a very, very luxurious pool and amenity spaces. This is by far my most favorite hotel in all of the Philippines. Absolutely love my stay here. Wish I could have stayed longer and explored the area a little bit more, but nonetheless, it was one of the best experiences that I've been able to enjoy on my vacation. It even has a place for kids. It has a little playground area, so if you're traveling with your family, it's going to be a great place to go with them as well. It is really tailored towards everybody, and there's lots of shopping and food in that area. But let's get straight to the point and the stuff we love. This is the room at the Shangri-La Fort, the giant closet with the towels, the slippers, everything that you need in a 5-star hotel. We also have a nice area for you to put your shoes on or just set your bags. It's really just a nice little extra touch to the room. But the right is where the fun starts, in the bathroom. A bathroom that has a bidet, everything that you could imagine, you have it in here. They even have speakers going from the TV so you can listen to the TV while you're showering with the waterfall shower. The bathtub, everything is so immaculate in this hotel room. I absolutely loved it. I would say it's a little older, but just fantastic looking altogether. Kind of a timeless look. They give you all your, toothbrushes, lotions, everything that you would expect from a 5-star hotel to provide for you while you're staying at the Shangri-La Fort. Overall, just a really great bathroom, but the room is what really stood out to me. A great TV on the wall. The bed was super, super comfortable, and the decoration was really cool. The room and the decor just made it really stand out to me as a 5-star hotel. It has a nice little couch area to the right where you could relax, look out the window, and just wind down. And again, the decor is just hitting it right. And a beautiful view of the Philippines and then onto the bay outside that area was just an extra cherry on top. Just overall, really good experience with this hotel and the area. And then if you look below, you can actually see the Megatron, things down in BGC, which I think is really cool. You also have this little area where you can work and just kind of sit and relax. So if you're working while on vacation, you can sit and use this desk. It comes with 2 giant bottles of water, espresso, coffee maker, really cool stuff. Everything, again, that you would expect out of a 5-star hotel, which I absolutely love. The water bottles were huge, by the way, so yeah. Also, then you have your safe, so that's kind of a guaranteed when you're traveling abroad in these type of hotels, but just good to know that it's still there. And then we're going to take a look at the most exciting part, is probably the gym. First of all, the gym has like these crazy drinks for you, all free, guys. So if you're staying at the hotel, you get access to this massive gym. It's actually like a club. There's 2 stories of it. It's just so many different things. It's like if you tried to go through the entire gym, you would just get lost and just not be able to finish all the workouts because there's so many. By the way, guys, this is in kgs, not lbs. So if you're like me and think you can curl 27.5 kgs, you're wrong. That happened to me. It was kind of embarrassing, but don't worry. You see there's a little boxing station, which is also really cool. Just anything that you could imagine is going to be in this gym for you. Personal trainers, everything, cardio rooms, free weights, I don't know, the list goes on. It's just so much stuff that you can actually do in this gym. Just really made this feel like the most luxurious hotel. Oh, by the way, guys, they actually had a full-size basketball gym as well, which is really cool. Yeah, just an amazing place. Now, probably my most favorite part about the entire place was their luxury breakfast. The breakfast was phenomenal, guys. They had fresh juices, anything that you wanted, they would actually make for you, even if it wasn't out. So that was really cool. But this buffet breakfast was one of a kind. I cannot stress this enough. I tried a bunch of different buffets in the Philippines, and I'll tell you right now, hands down, this one is far superior than any. No other single one comes even close. I mean, this place even has like a full ice cream bar. Like, look at that. That's insane, guys. You do not find that anywhere else in any hotel in the Philippines. Just hands down amazing. We'll just kind of stroll through, look at this. This is like the pastry zone. You'll find different cultural foods in different areas, which is really cool. It's like you walk from one space to another, and then you're kind of in a new like cultural food here. But I mean, they just had everything that you could imagine. They'll make omelets for you. They'll do everything. It's just so cool, and it's just really luxurious in the way they actually served you. They would take your room number and put you to a specific location, and they would wait on you, get the drinks for you. So it is a buffet, but they also do wait on you. So that is actually a really nice touch, and it makes it even feel a little bit more comfortable. But you can see here, this was more like the Indian food, and this over here is more of the traditional Filipino food. You have your, garlic fried rice, adobe, chicken adobe, stuff like that. It was just endless amounts of food that you could not even you can't eat it all, guys. You're gonna have to stay here multiple days to try everything, unless that's a challenge to try to eat everything from each station. But it was absolutely fantastic, and this is where I actually found out that they did have the omelets. I was looking for it for so long, but it was so big that I actually got lost and didn't know that the omelets are there. So I was really excited that I was able to find it eventually, but I was already full at that point, so I didn't really take a full advantage of the omelet station like I usually do. But overall, just a really great experience with the food here at the buffet. Just top notch. And then of course they're going to have more of the charcuterie style stuff in this area, and then my favorite is the fresh fruit, which you're going to be able to sample pretty much just any type of fruit that you would like, watermelon, pineapple, local foods that you probably wouldn't even expect if you're from the United States and stuff like that. Just all around fantastic options here at the buffet. So that was kind of wrapping up the tour of the buffet. The service was amazing, but to add a little bit more food, the room service also was really good. And if you're an Amex, Platinum Amex reward holder, you can get this room credit for $100 and free. So I use my room credit, my $100 credit from the Amex for my room service and this massage at the spa. The spa was so good, guys. Probably one of the best massages that I have had in the Philippines. Just very luxurious, very clean, very professional, just all around top-notch experience at Shangri-La the Fort in the BGC area in the Philippines. But guys, that's going to wrap up our tour. But if you are looking for a 5-star luxury hotel experience to stay at, the best hotel in the Philippines is definitely Shangri-La the Fort. So thank you for watching. Have a great day, and make sure you subscribe and follow for more.